In places like Boston this morning, because for some of you traveling in and out of Logan, could be a bit tricky for you on the flight tracker. You can see that a lot of the active weather is just off to your west. In Boston, Logan right now, we've got no delays that are being reported, at least nothing over 15 minutes. Okay, but look at the nasty precip just off to your west here. That's a nasty rain-snow mix. Or in some places, it's just plain old snow for you, and even some places just heavy rain. So let's show you the delays today. It includes LaGuardia. We're looking at delays in an hour and a half right now. That's due to the weather and the wind. Those are arrival delays. Boston, you've got nothing. Steph? Resounding yes on that one, Stephanie. We've already got issues this morning. We're going to begin with Flight Tracker and take you into Boston, where the conditions are just bad right now. We've got low ceilings, and get this, winds right now in Boston are gusting to 52 miles per hour. That's obviously meaning we've got issues out there. Look at all the planes that are circling right now in a holding pattern. 9 flights right now are circling. Want to mention this. We've got general delays that are half an hour right now in Boston, okay? But departing flights to Boston will not be taking off until 10 o'clock Eastern time this morning. So we've got a huge ground stop headed toward Boston. Right now, hour and a half delays, by the way, because of wind at LaGuardia. So big issues here out of some of the big airports here in the east. So those are the issues that we're contending with right now as far as the roadways go. I-95 could be a real mess for you today, especially New York northbound. We've got windy conditions in Providence. You guys driving the big rigs, you know what I mean. It's going to be hard to keep it between the yellow lines today. In Portland, we've got rain in your forecast, also at times breezy. You want to talk bad travel, though, head west. How about Interstate 84 here? Salt Lake City, thunderstorms 50. Boise, we've got morning rain 49, at times breezy. And in Portland, we've also got kind of raw conditions, 48 degrees, and showers here as well. Steph? Jeff Mora would know all about that, so I think Berg, though, is acceptable. Let's talk about travel impacts. I think you're fine in Pittsburgh, no issues there, but boy, do we have a mess going on here in the east. We'll take you into Boston, Logan. We'll highlight it for you here, as well as Newark, LaGuardia, and JFK. We've got huge issues. Look at the flights that have been circling this morning, and no wonder. We've got tons of rain, even some areas where we've got mixed precipitation or just plain old snow. Boston, your delays right now are around an hour and a half. And LaGuardia, you're at an hour and a half. Actually, we've gone up now to 2 hours in Boston. LaGuardia, you're an hour and a half, and just saw that out of Newark, we're now up to an hour and a half as well. So all kinds of issues for us if you're flying here out of the Northeast. Primarily, this is a wind impact for us here. We've had winds gusting over 50 miles an hour out of Logan. We'll take you on the interstates this morning and show you that we're going to have some problems here as well. As we zoom on in, you'll notice our low still spins here, and I-95 is going to be a wet one for you. You come more interior, you're going to run into that snow. For Boston, it's a mess this morning. We're going to put the red light on for you this morning, and this afternoon as you come home from work, we're going to give that the red light as well. We've got rain and wind, really, really messy for you. We're going to go from Boston, head farther south on 95. You'll work your way down toward New York. We've also got some issues for us here as well. We'll probably give that a yellow this morning and a red this evening. You can see that the conditions probably just getting worse as we go through the day. So that's a look at your travels. Be careful out there this morning. Steph?